This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Palladino. Honey, stop the car. Adorable and move-in ready home alert. Roof, AC and hot water heater are 3 years old. Split floor plan providing much space to stretch out with a living room and a dining room. The kitchen boasts a breakfast bar, granite, gorgeous cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. No carpets anywhere. Would like tile flooring everywhere. Great master bedroom with a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, garden tub and walk-in shower with modern double sink. The oversized backyard is fully fenced in. No HOA. Bring all your toys. Do not miss this great opportunity. For more information, review the details below.